Subscribe to Jesse's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, this is Jesla Smith. Welcome to Jesse's Recipes. Today's recipe is Sri Lankan coconut pancakes made with sweet coconut filling wrapped in a thin crepe. These sweet coconut stuffed crepes are one of the most delightful breakfast and tea time snack. Easy to make but hard to stop eating. Let's begin to make. In a bowl, take 2.5 cups of wheat flour and a pinch of turmeric to give them that classic yellow shade but not so much for the flavor. Now add an egg and pinch of salt to taste. Then gradually add coconut milk and mix all the crepe ingredients together until the mixture is smooth. If the batter is undermixed, you could see some lumps, so be sure to mix thoroughly. A food processor or a blender is best for lump-free crepe batter. The batter should be neither too thick or too thin but should coat the back of the spoon. Once you get the correct consistency, strain the batter using a sieve. Once you make the batter, you will notice bubbles. When the batter rests, those will go away, so that leave the mixture to sit for about half an hour, which helps the bubbles subside and stop the crepe from tearing. Until the batter rests, let's make the coconut filling. Heat a pan on a medium flame and add half a cup of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 cups of coconut, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. Once you add all the ingredients, don't mix, just leave it until the jaggery and sugar to melt. Once melted, start to mix everything together and cook for 3 to 4 minutes in a medium flame. Don't cook for too long. While cooking, do not leave it at any point, if not it might burn. Once the jaggery has mixed with the coconut, it will get this nice golden brown color. Now you have the filling ready, let the mixture cool down. If you make this filling in a pan which retains heat for a longer period, then transfer the sweet coconut mix to another bowl, if not there are chances to burn. Now let's make pancakes. Take a non-stick pan and heat over a low-medium flame. Give the batter a final mix and take a ladle full of the batter and pour at the center of the pan. Immediately start to spread the batter from the center out in a circular motion in one direction. I prefer clockwise. If you are new at making crepes, then don't worry if you can't spread it perfectly initially, it comes with practice. The cook time is also very short for these crepes, less than a minute for each crepe, so you don't want to leave them unattended. It is important that the crepes are soft so that they can be rolled up easily, so overcooking and letting them become crispy is not an option. Crepes do not need to get flipped. They are thin enough that they will cook throughout without flipping. Once the crepe is set, use a flat spatula to remove the crepe from the edges. Having the cooked side of the pancake facing down also makes the rolling easy and reduces any tearing. Place 1 tablespoon of the coconut filling in a line towards the end of the circle and fold the pancake from the sides that the points of the coconut filling are facing. Now start rolling from the filling side of the crepe. Avoid adding too much of fillings as you don't want to make the coconut filling too sweet. Sometimes the pancake will not get pasted if it gets warm. So dip your finger in the batter and run your finger at the edge of the pancake and roll it. Then it will get pasted. Now cook the pancake a bit to overcome the raw smell of the batter. According to this quantity, you will get around 15 to 20 pancakes. Now our yummy Sri Lankan pancakes are done and ready. Even if you love sweets or not, I'm sure you are going to love these pancakes. They are such an easy breakfast or a tea time snack to make. Please give it a try. And if you love them, please don't forget to leave a comment for me. I'd love to hear back from you. Don't forget to share and like Jessie's recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. I'll come out with another wonderful recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.